Good morning guys. Today I've already been running around. I've been up since 6:30. We just got this new HPC coated, thermal coated turbo housing for another customer's car. Then I dropped off everything for Wayne's to get coated. Now I'm on my way to pick up Kira, who's dropping off another customer's car at another tuner's place. Then we're heading back to the workshop. I've got to put the new Tomei elbow on my car, take my car to the tuners, and hopefully we fix absolutely everything and we can go skid tonight and it'll be awesome with not a single issue. So fingers crossed, and hopefully we make our 400 horsepower goal today because we're changing that dump pipe. So yeah, fingers crossed I guess. Anyways, let's get to it. Check it out guys, the Tomei turbo elbow just arrived. And another thing that I love about Oz is I can get real vanilla Coke. In Japan, we don't have this. So anyways, time's ticking. Let's get this turbo dump pipe on there, little elbow, and get to the tuners right away. It is time to install. We have the old dump pipe off. There it is. Piece of crap. And let's bolt on this new shiny Tomei one and then go to the tuners. We got like 10 minutes to get there. Let's go. I've shown this before on the videos, but here's the factory one and see how it only starts here. And here's the Tomei one and see how much extra room you have just fully open there compared to that. And that's where the flapper's been hitting. It hasn't been able to open all the way. Yeah, massive difference. So we're gonna put this on and it should fix all our issues of back pressure, right, Sammy?
Should do.
Let's do it. Thank you, Mr. Tomei. Dun da da dun. Tomei downpipe is installed. Yeah boy, time to make some power. All right, let's start her up, make sure there's no exhaust leaks. And then we can go from here. Yeah, nothing pumping out. We're good. Taking her off the hoist straight to the dyno. Let's go. All right, so I'm dropping this off. I'm gonna go edit today's video. They're gonna take care of it for me. I don't have time, unfortunately, to sit through the dyno. So I'm gonna come back here at 3, pick it up and go straight to Archerfield. I need to be there as early as I can so that there's no issues with like crowd control and things like that. The event doesn't start till 5, but they've been having a lot of issues of massive crowds rocking up. So I'm gonna get there as early as I can around 3:30. Got me some fresh rubber. Guys at AOK always hooking me up. So good to have friends over here. All right, let's get back to the workshop. See how we're going. Guys, my sticker guy came in clutch and got these to me in record time. Check him out. The new unemployed stickers are in. As you can see, it kind of matches the unemployed hoodie that I normally wear with a nice thing at the bottom there. Greatness is right around the corner and the YouTube link. So if you guys want one, we'll put a link down in the description to the site. Grab yourself a sticker, help support the channel and what I do. Anyways, let's find out what's happening with the 34. Yo guys, so I just rocked up. Luke's finished with the car and check out the difference. That turbo elbow difference is huge. We're right on our 400 horsepower mark, 392.5. What a massive difference that made. That's what I keep telling you guys, those freaking Tomei turbo elbows make a huge difference. So pumped for this today now. Oh man, can't wait. Okay, so I've just been talking with Luke and 404 is the max power that the car made. And we could have left it there, but because I'm gonna be hanging on limiter and this is a drift car, we wound it back a little bit to keep it safe, just to prevent any issues from happening. So we did make our 400 horsepower goal. Alrighty, let's go for a second gear pull real quick. It's so different. Oh man, that extra like, what do we make, an extra 70 horsepower? Huge difference. Okay, I don't have much time to test. I just need to get to the workshop, load my tires, tools, and go. We made it with a little time to spare, just as I started drifting. Pretty cool.
about to hit our temp limit.
What'd you say?
We just hit our temp limit.
Yeah, that's perfect. It feels really good.
Cool down.
I mean, I was able to get pretty comfortable in it pretty fast.
Start it back up, keep it idling.
Were you filming that? Sick.
Just give it a block. Yeah. Yeah, just keep her in revs for a sec.
No worries.
So let's cool down.
Did I blow up SAMMIT's RB25?
No.
Yeah, it feels really good. Like, I get pretty comfortable pretty fast.
Yeah. Just, you know, same setup kind of in Japan. Keep it super grippy. But
it's definitely a little bit laggier than like the, I mean, actually, it's laggier than the 3071 on my car.
Yeah.
My car spools really fast, but my car's also like a built motor, right? A little higher compression.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the cam should make it spool slower. I think though it is about the same as the RB26 with the 3071.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's pretty decent though for like a $1,000 high flow turbo there.
Yeah, no, it feels pretty good. I mean, for this track, would I prefer something that spools a little bit more down low for that back corner so I don't have to clutch kick? Yeah. But I haven't driven a turbo car at this track yet that I haven't had to clutch kick there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's a high decrease in speed. But no, it feels really good.
Okay, so the 34, it's running really good. The new power's great. The new tires, it feels way grippier. But unfortunately, we're still having temp management issues. Now, it seems like the boost creep is much better, but in the high RPMs, there's still a bit of boost creep there, which is causing exhaust pressure, and it's not all getting out. And because we're running such high PSI, it's heating up the motor and the exhaust side a lot. So I'm going to try and not be all the way up to 7.5 RPM, 7,500 RPM. We're going to just try and like stick to 6 and try to heat manage it as best we can. And then I'm flying back to Japan tomorrow morning. So during that time, we'll work out a time and everything, and we'll get Sammy to jump into it and see what we can do cooling wise. We may even just hook up an external wastegate, but if we're going to do an external wastegate, I'd rather do forward facing plenum top mount manifold and go to a GTX 3071R. So I don't know, we'll see what's going to happen, but we'll leave it at that. So the event is over and I had so much fun. I just want to show you really quickly the pattern and on the tire and how well I burned through them. We do have to switch here because on the Tuesday and Thursday night they only go the one way, not both directions keep changing like they did on Sunday. So we have to flip tires because you burn one more than the other, only going one direction all the time around. But yeah, let me show you how well they wore. So if you can see this, it's pretty well smooth, a little bit of camber wear as you can see there, but the car was super gripped up and it was a lot of fun. And with that power now, it felt very similar to my 33.4 back in Japan. The only difference is a lot more responsive and a bit more weight to the chassis. The 34 is definitely heavier. Anyways, I'm gonna keep packing everything up, and then we'll see what we get up to after that. Pretty dope S15 just rocked up with the underglow. I keep saying this in my videos, underglow needs to come back. The boys in Japan know what's up. Looks sick. Okay, so today was heaps of fun. The car felt so good with that extra power, and with the new tires, it was super gripped up. We still had a little bit of a heating issue, but it's nowhere near as bad, so I was able to get a lot more laps in. So it seems like the internal wastegate, for the amount of boost that I'm pushing and stuff like that, we need to port it out a bit more, or we need to put an external wastegate on. So we might try and do that next time I'm here in Oz. You know, more videos on the 34 are obviously going to be happening. And as I said before, we may even just go straight to the big top mount and forward facing plenum and just change all of that entirely, because that's definitely something we have for this car. But it also depends, because I really don't know what I want to do with this car at this point. Like, it's a good car, it's got good horsepower. You know, should I sell it and get two S15s? I have no idea what to do, but what like the inside of me wants is to keep this car, because it was just such a lot of sentimental value for me. So I'm not really interested in selling, but it's like, if someone gave me the right money for it, I'd kind of almost be like, two S15s sound really good right about now. So it's a bit difficult. But hopefully I can get to a point financially where, you know, I can just keep this, put this in storage, and we can do an insane crazy build on it later on and turn it into a full-blown time attack drift car. That'd be so cool, because I want to do time attack in this. I want to gut everything out, proper seats, like full aero crazy stuff, and then it'd be cool to also potentially maybe even turn it into a comp drift car someday. But yeah, anyways, I'm a mess. I love too many cars. I want too many cars. And this kind of started it all for me, I guess. Like, it really got me back into the car scene after I gave up on everything, and reignited, I guess, my spark and my fire for drifting and the car scene and cars in general, and just the culture and everything, and then piqued me to want to, you know, experience it in Japan, and led to me going over there a lot and stuff. But we can talk about that another day. Enough talking. Let's head home, wrap up, because I gotta fly back tomorrow, so let's do that. Came back to the workshop just to drop off the tires and all the tools and everything I had. Man, I'm gonna miss this place. Always love coming here and working with Sammy on cars and checking out what's in from all the customers and stuff like that. Definitely next time I'm in, we need to finish this bad boy off. Need to finish the race car. There's so many good parts just chilling inside there waiting. Oh look, there's my electric power steering reservoir. This car is going to be mental. We're going to do some cool stuff with it. It's going to be great. Yeah, we need to get Okachan back out driving it too. It's going to be cool. I just want him to play with if I can get in here, my pink little shaft here. I think it's great. Got him there as well, nice little sticker. Anyways, it's going to be a cool build, this thing. When it's done, got a lot of sponsors waiting on us too. Right. Good morning, guys. It is currently 5:30 in the morning and I'm still waking up. So if I don't say everything correctly, it's because my brain's still asleep. I got up at 4 this morning. Last night was just hectic. I finished the drift event, went to the workshop with semi-vans, dropped off all the tools and stuff, got home, then I put all, you know, got the car ready and got everything out of it, put it into storage and locked it up in the garage. Then started packing, was way too wrecked for that, so just passed out and set my alarm for 4 o'clock. Got up at 4, finished packing, had a shower, got ready, and then yeah, Hannah picked me up. Parents are still over in Fraser Island, and yeah, that about wraps it up. Whoa, I grabbed your Jesus handle and a turtle fell out. And yeah, long story short, this is my last moments in Australia before I fly back to Japan. A little bit sad, gonna miss you, sis. Yeah, but yeah, it is what it is. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. I need to get to the airport because I've got to edit this before I jump on my flight. There's also a massive cyclone rolling in, so hopefully my flight doesn't get cancelled, and everything's going to be safe there leaving the country. But yeah, thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will catch you all in the next video. Don't forget to get an unemployed sticker, and I'll see you later. Ciao matane. Good?
どうだ